All right, guys, so right now we're on my Udemy account. So if you want to set up your Udemy account, what you're going to want to do is beside the Udemy video, you're just going to want to click here to start for free. You'll go over and you'll create your free Udemy account. Now, what Udemy is it is a solo ad vendor. Now, the best way to order these solo ads is just to go under deals and try to find people that are selling pretty decent clicks, and then you can go in and see their stats. So you want to see their sales rate and you want to see their rate of return buyers. That means this vendor's good, people are coming back for traffic, and you're going to get some good deals. All right, so if you want to set up your affiliate link to our sales funnel, which is what I believe to be a mandatory thing because you want to make money, so go over under affiliates, and then you're going to simply copy this link. And now we can go over to our funnels page, and you're just going to go under the sales page here, and we're going to click on edit. Now there's going to be two links that you want to change out. First one is going to be in this banner. So we're going to go down here and we're going to paste on our link, and we're going to make sure that it has a open in new window. And then we're going to scroll down on the page here as well, and we're just going to change out the link for this button, and we're going to click save and exit. So now your Udemy solo ad vendor is set up to your sales funnel so that when you start sending traffic, you'll get commissions for people going to Udemy, which means that this system is going to be a 5 income stream system, which is going to help you create passive and residual income online. So go through the rest of the steps and get your system set up with all of your affiliate links, and I look forward to hearing your success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next training.